everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to track a real product profit or a real business profit in Odoo 19 very simply. Many of the business person only look at their sales revenue, right? But actually the revenue is not equal to the profit. You all know that. So you may sell a lot of products using different kind of discounts, price lists and everything, but still make less profit if the product costs are high. So today we will see how Odoo shows the actual profit using two different methods, which means a sales margin on quotation and a margin analysis in accounting reporting session as well. So without stretching, let's get started by opening the sales module first, and we need to configure one option from there. So under the configuration, there we have the settings menu. Under the settings, there you can find the pricing session. There you can see the margin. So the margin, you all know that the margin is actually the selling price minus the cost price. Okay, so that's the margin. It shows the margin inside Odoo 19 accounting module, and that's the actual profit of your each product that you're setting up inside Odoo. Okay, so you can simply enable this and it shows margin on orders. So let's hit the save button once you are ready with the configure option. So once it loads, we need to head over to the product session. Okay, so here I'm moving on to the product. You can simply choose any of the product that you need to sell, and I can simply show you the real-time example as well. So here I'm taking one product. So let me take a green tea. Okay, so there you can finally see the sales price of a green tea is actually $4.70, and we didn't even set up a cost. So if I want to understand what is the actual margin of a product, I need to set up a cost that what is the actual cost of the product once I'm purchasing it from a vendor. And I also need to set up a sales price, and that means how I want to sell this product to a customer as well. So here I'm going to set up the cost price as $1. Okay. So here I'm purchasing this green tea or green tea sachet from a vendor, amount or the cost as $1. And I can also provide, a vendor under this. Okay, so here I'm not providing it. It's not it's not a mandatory thing. It's an optional one. Yeah, I can simply save this, and under the general information tab there you can find a sales price as well as the cost of the product. Once I'm done with that, let's head over to the orders, and I want to move to the quotation, and I want to create a new quotation. So let me specify with the customer. So let it be Aisha. Once I'm done with that, I want to add the product, which is green tea. Okay. So here we have green tea and the unique price is there, and there you can find the total amount. So here I'm going to add more quantity. Okay. So let me provide it as 10. So once I'm done with the green tea quantity, there you can find it as 10, and the total amount it shows as $47. And now under the untaxed amount, there you can find the untaxed amount is $47, and there we have the tax, and there we have the total amount, and under that you can finally see the margin of a product. So this is the margin this is the actual profit that we will get under this sale order. So if once I'm going to confirm the sale order, and if I deliver the product to a customer, and if they are paying it to me, I will get $37 as my actual profit of the sale order or from the sale order. Okay, so now you can simply see the real-time margin or the real-time profit of your each sale order or each product once you are selling to any customers. So now you can simply confirm this, and once you confirm that, you can create an invoice based on this particular sales order, and you can deliver the product to your customer, and you can do all such thing, which is a manual. Okay, so let's confirm this. Once I'm done with that, let's create a payment. That's in payment, and moving on to the payment side, let's validate it. So here I got the actual profit from a sale order. Okay, so there you can also find how many how many profit that we will get from the sale order. Okay, now moving on to the quotation bag, I can deliver this product So let's validate this delivery. So once I'm done with that, let's move back. So there you can find the actual margin on the quotation side. So for analyzing the report, you all know that this is the margin of each sale order and we can see them. But how we can calculate the total profit or the total actual profit of your business? We cannot move to each of the sale order and checking what is the margin. It's very tough job, right? So inside the accounting module, we have a second option, which means you can simply see the margin analysis in accounting reports. For that, let's head over to the accounting module first. Head over into the accounting module. And you can head over to the configuration. Under the configuration, there we have a settings. Okay. So under the settings, moving or scrolling down, there you can find the analytics. Under the analytics, there we have an option which is margin analysis, and you can simply monitor your product margin from the invoices. Okay. So once you're done with that, you can hit the save button. So here I'm already enabled this particular option. Okay. So you can either create and post a customer invoice, and you can simply see the invoice analysis for get the actual margin report once you're done with this. Okay. So for see the actual margin report, you can move on to the reporting, and there we have the invoice analysis. And once you are there, you can use different kind of measures. Okay. So there you can find the margin, which is here, and you can see the margin of a particular product by filtering it. Okay. So here I want to see the margin of a product. So here I'm choosing a product category. So if I choose a product category, I can see them, which means there we have the product category. There we have the clothes, drinks, food, furniture, goods and grocery is there. So you can simply analyze the margin of or the actual profit that you got from each and every product in a single glance. You can also use that as a pie chart. From here itself, you can find the big amount of margin is got from the furniture office. There you can find is 27.11k. So there you can see the total margin that we have got from different kind of product category. If I want to choose that from a product or a partner, salesperson, everything, I can simply see them using the invoice analysis report, and you can use the measure which is called the margin as well. So now you can simply understood how to track the profit in Odoo accounting report using Odoo accounting report. So the important note that you need to understand is actually margin will not appear directly on your invoice screen by defaultly. So instead of that, you can move to the sales module and you can see the, or you can show the real-time profit per sales, and you can also move to the accounting report and show the financial profit analysis. So both together give the complete profitability picture for your accountant, the business person or the salesperson very easily. Okay. So by using sales margin and accounting margin in analyzing or both of them together, you can track the real product profits in Odoo 19 with complete accuracy, or you can simply calculate the actual business profit that you are getting each month or each year. So this help you to make smarter pricing, purchasing and business decision in very easy manner. So in next video, we'll explore how to track profit using analytic accountings or analytic accounts for deeper cost analysis. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be back with another video or another accounting tutorial or sales tutorial. Till that, bye-bye.